Assalamu alaikum. Today I am doing a quick night cleanup before sleep. First of all, I started by cleaning out this drawer, put all the toys in a basket and wiped it clean. Then I quickly decluttered the drawing room, picking up all the things lying around. I dusted the sofa, then fixed the cushions. And wiped the table and gave it a quick spray and wipe. Now the drawing room is clean. Then I moved to the dining table. I picked up all the things on the table. I just sprayed and wiped it out. I also gave a quick wipe to the chairs. Now the dining table is also clean. I picked up shoes and toys from the floor to make the room look tidy. अब देख सकते हैं कि कैसे क्लीन हो गया है. Now I move to the kitchen. First of all, I picked up all the dishes and the things on the countertop. Just wipe the counter and my kitchen counter get clean and empty. अब जब मैं सुबह इसके लिए ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आऊँगी तो मुझे किचन का काउंटर बिल्कुल क्लियर और क्लीन मिलेगा. हर चीज़ उसकी जगह पे मिलेगी.